Hey friends, on this video, how to hard reset your cell phone on this video I want to show you. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, you just need to move on setting. After that, here in this screen you just need to click on search. Then here you can search for the reset. Just tap on search. Then here is the factory reset. Click on factory reset, and before you do this all, you have to remove your Gmail account. When you're removing your Gmail account, please write down your Gmail account or remember your Gmail account and the password. Here is the Google. Just move on through Google, then remove the accounts. After remove, the second step will be move on additional setting, scroll down, tap on backup and reset, then click on backup. You can backup through another devices or to the drive, Google Drive, or to computer. Okay, you just drive, or you can say backup. You just backup, okay, to drive or computers, okay, or to another devices, so that you may not lose your important documents on the files, or photos and videos. After that, the last option should be factory reset. Click on erase all data and the hard reset will done here. Okay, this is the steps that you need to do. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. And friends, if you think that I did not do these steps, then yeah, I did not do because I have important documents and I don't want to reset again and again my phones. That's why I do not do it. Okay, but if you are facing the problem you want to do, then you can follow these steps. You can believe, right? Okay, you can believe in me. If you are facing problem, then you can give me a comment. If you don't have, then you can say just thumbs up and bye.